Hello, my name is Nicole Moncrief, and I am doing my endangered species video over the black-footed ferret, and I will go ahead and begin. So the black-footed ferret was first discovered in 1851. The species declined throughout the 20th century as a result of a decrease in prairie dog populations and sylvatic plague. The ferret was declared extinct in 1979 until Lucille Hogg's dog brought a dead ferret to her door in 1981. The remaining population of a few dozen lasted until they were considered extinct in 1987. However, a captive breeding program resulted in reintroduction from 1991 to 2009. There are now over 370 ferrets in the wild living in grasslands in the northern Great Plains. The black-footed ferret was listed as endangered in 2008, and there are currently about 370 ferrets across the nation and no confirmed reports in Texas since 1963. The cause of the ferret being endangered is due to massive hunting and poisoning campaigns against the prairie dog, which is its main food source. Prairie dogs were considered pests, so ranchers and farmers conducted an extensive campaign to get rid of them. Ferrets are susceptible to the sylvatic plague, a flea-borne illness that can wipe out entire prairie dog and ferret colonies. In order to prevent extinction, ferrets can be vaccinated against the plague by injection. Something that anyone can do to help save the black-footed ferrets is to donate money or adopt an animal from the Defenders of Wildlife. The Defenders of Wildlife, U.S. national conservation organization dedicated to protect and restore endangered species and their habitats in North America. Some facts about the ferret. Black-footed ferrets are long and slender, making it easy for them to move through prairie dog burrows. They weigh between 1.5 to 2.5 pounds and can grow up to 24 inches long. They have a black stripe across their eyes, giving them the appearance of a mask. Also have black feet and a black tip on their tail. The average lifespan of the ferret is 1 to 3 years in the wild and 4 to 6 years in captivity. Black-footed ferrets are solitary animals with the exception of breeding season and a mother carrying her kits. They are nocturnal and mostly live underground. The ferret's diet is consisted of 90% prairie dog, and the other 10% can be ground squirrels, small rodents, rabbits, and birds. A ferret may eat over 100 prairie dogs a year. Their smell is a very important part as they use their sense of smell to find their prey. The black-footed ferret is a member of the weasel family. It is the only ferret native to North America. The mothers have litters ranging from 1 to 6 kits. The kits are born blind and helpless, so they stay below ground until they are 2 months old. The ferrets are most active above ground from dusk to midnight and 4 a.m. to mid-morning. Above ground activity is greatest during late summer and early autumn when juveniles become independent. Climate generally does not limit the ferret's inactivity, but it may remain inactive inside burrows for 6 days at a time during the winter. Today, the ferrets can be found in Wyoming, South Dakota, Montana, Arizona, Colorado, Utah, Kansas, and Chihuahua, Mexico. And then this right here just shows you the the red is the green is the historic range where they've lived before, and then the red is where they have been reintroduced, and you can see that there's no red in Texas. Ferret reintroductions have been mixed. The ferrets need viable prairie dog towns to survive, but they also face threats from predators such as golden eagles, owls, and coyotes. Reintroduced animals lack survival skills, so their mortality rate is much higher. And there is my references, and that's all I have on the black-footed ferret. Thank you.